Our much talked about free online training is here. This program is for beginners who are seeking to understand what project management is all about. It's also for those who have started and want to get certified. And it is for those of you who have gone far, you're about to write your exam, you require support in order to write the exam. You require materials and you require guidance and some form of hand-holding. Welcome to this channel. We'll be embarking on this journey together. Watch this space as we unveil what we have in stock for you at the end of this month. Thank you very much. My name is Sunday Yahaya, and I am a Project Management Institute certified project management professional. I help people attain their PMP certification as well. I'm here to help you walk this journey in 2026. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us for more information. Thank you very much.